The spread of hunger has been the most horrific consequence of Yemen's war, since Saudi Arabia and its allies launched a campaign of airstrikes and a naval blockade a year ago. Last week, in a suburban village just outside the capital, Sana'a, Faisal Ahmad buried his 5-month-old son, who died of starvation. Just 2 days earlier, Uday, Ahmad's youngest child, was still alive in Sabine's hospital emergency ward. His weak cries mixing with those of dozens of other children who hadn't had enough to eat. Sitting next to him on a hospital bed was his mother Intizar Hezam, who was hopeful the treatment he was receiving would keep him alive. But 5 days after being admitted, Uday was taken out of the hospital by his father and taken home. It's unclear what could have been done to save him and what else he might have been suffering from. But doctors in the emergency ward said he had severe malnutrition, diarrhea and a chest infection. They had put him on a nasal drip of antibiotics and a feeding solution. At around 5 months old, he weighed just 2.5 kilograms.
بذهب المستشفى اليومي ل3 أيام. قديته هو ولد 20 يوم ما قبلوش. قديته عاد ولد 20 يوم ما قبلوش قالوا ما بش كرسي.
Saddam Al-Azizi, head of the emergency unit at Sabine Hospital, says he suspected it was because the family couldn't afford to pay for the medicines. Medicines, he said, that are increasingly in short supply. Within hours of reaching home on March 25th, Uday died, barely making a sound. Ahmad says he blames the Saudis for his youngest son's death. Uday's family would have struggled to make ends meet in better times, but the war has put putting food on the table a near insurmountable challenge. The family lives off the pension that Ahmad gets as a former soldier, about 13,200 rupees a month, for him, his wife, and 9 children before Uday, ranging from 2 years old to 16. With food prices rising and supplies sporadic, the family eats once a day, usually yogurt and bread, and peas on a good day.
أما بدي قبل الحرب وشوف كيفي وعلى الثاني والثالثة كلهم بخير الحمد لله. إلا هذاك أثناء أثناء الأزمة أثناء الحرب الذي مظلل علينا 24 ساعة.
The grocer in the family's neighborhood says supplies are scarce and prices have almost doubled, fueled by the war. And back at the hospital, doctors struggle to keep other malnourished children alive. In the first 3 months of this year, around 150 children have come to the hospital suffering from malnutrition, and around 15 have died. The impoverished nation imports 90% of its food, and the rate of malnutrition is rising steadily. Even more alarming are the rates of severe acute malnutrition among children, which have doubled in a year according to UNICEF estimates. Uday is one among the representation of the devastating humanitarian consequences of Yemen's civil war.